Okay guys, it's me Imad. So on 4th of August 2022, now you can see that we have a plant of Kalanchoe fedtschenkoi, or which is commonly also called as Lavender Scallops. Okay, now you can see that his color is a bit greenish because of the fact that it is placed in the shade. So chlorophyll used to develop more and more. Now you can see that its stem is a little bit woody, and now we will try to propagate it from the stem cuttings. Now we have chosen one stem and it is a little bit longer than the rest of the stems. Now take a forceps or anything through which you can hold it out and cut it from one of the nodes. Now we need to remove the lower leaves of this stem because of the fact that when we place it in the media, these leaves will get in contact with the soggy media and can cause some sort of root rot. Okay, so we have to avoid it out. Now this is our second stem and we need to cut it out. Now again repeat the same process of removing the leaves. And one more thing, that we will keep these leaves, okay, for like 10 to 12 days, and new babies will start emerging, like 5 to 6 new babies from a single leaf, because there are nodes on the single leaves. Okay, so there are babies all over, okay, on the leaf as well. Now cut the next one. Okay, you can take like a cutting of like 2 to 3 inches. It's enough for new propagation. Okay, now these are our cuttings. Now we need to keep them in shade as well, because when we put them in shade, their wounds will heal. Okay, where we used to cut the stem, there is a wound. Okay, so in order to carry our and healing of wound, we need certain time. Okay, and now we have placed them in shade and wait for what's called as the their wound healing and careless hour. Now on 7th of August 2022, after 3 days, now we have taken the media and all of our Kalanchoe fedtschenkoi cuttings. Now this is our media, which is just simple garden soil or simple soil. Okay, and it contains a lot of clay content in it. Okay, so we need to put, now our wounds are completely healed and calloused over. Now no worries, or no need to worry about the wound get rot. Okay, okay, this is the second cutting, this is the third cutting. Okay, now we also need to place them in shade. Okay, don't put them in heat because heat can destroy your stems. Okay, full sun and heat. Okay, now on 21st of August 2022, that is I think after like 3 or 2 weeks. Okay, now we can see the cuttings. Okay, that either there is some sort of growth or not. Now first of all, 2 of these stems are in the shade while this one is in the sun. Okay, so now we will see, because it is better to put them in shade. Okay, okay, now you can see that our root ball is very good developed. Now you need to remove the rest of the media from what is called as the root ball. Now you can see the roots. Now you can see the roots. Okay, now this is our second plant and its roots are also well developed. Okay, it's good to wash them out. If you want to see the full roots, let me wash it out. Now what about the third one? It seems that its condition is not good. Okay, and now you can see that its roots are completely deteriorated or rotted out, like totally entirely rot. Okay, now we need to remove the infected or rotten part and we will put it again within the soil. Okay, now in this way we can put it again within the media. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the Kalanchoe, fedtschenkoi or lavender scallops within the simple soil medium. So thanks for visiting our channel.